A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Picture yourself in a calm, peaceful place. Imagine the sun shining down on you, birds singing softly in the background, and a gentle breeze blowing across your skin. Allow yourself to relax into this beautiful setting. Now, focus on your workplace. Visualize yourself surrounded by positive energy and enthusiasm as you work through projects. Feel empowered to complete tasks efficiently and effectively. Know that every effort is leading to successful outcomes for both you and your colleagues. Breathe. As you continue working, become aware of any negative thoughts or feelings that arise, such as stress or frustration. But remember that these can be managed with patience and understanding. Instead of letting them overwhelm or distract you, take a few deep breaths and remind yourself that you are capable of achieving success. Breathe in and out. Remain mindful of the progress you've made so far and focus on the work that still needs to be done. Remember to take breaks when necessary, but stay committed to completing tasks. If needed, break down larger projects into smaller goals, which can help reduce stress and make the process more manageable. When it comes time for a break, use this time wisely by engaging in activities that refresh your mind and body. Spend time in nature or take up hobbies such as reading or painting. Whatever allows you to rest and recharge. Be sure to plan ahead for meals and snacks, since nutrition is essential for productivity and energy levels. When the day is finished, you can reflect on what has been accomplished. Give yourself credit for your hard work. Celebrate successes and use setbacks as opportunities for growth. Breathe. And finally, remember to thank yourself for making the effort to improve workplace productivity and take care of yourself.